The speed of Pacquiao and the power putting Barrera down. Barrera could not stop that big left hand coming at him. Another big shot by Pacquiao.
Great combinations.
He is doing it all. On the inside, here's the hand speed. Pacquiao came in an extremely live opponent. And roared into life in round 2. He has scored an absolute beautiful knockdown in round 3.
His hand quickness is a difference tonight, Dave.
Yeah, he's throwing combinations at Barrera, and sometimes the back end of the combination is what's getting through.